Make a great choice today with the 2013 Chevy Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, steel wheels, auto-off headlights, power driver mirrors, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.